Hello, this is Devashish sir, and again I have come up with a new digital content, module 7, week 2, where we'll be starting with the different services offered by the internet. Okay, so let us do a recapitulation, okay, of the first week. So we have started with the internet service chapter, where we have discussed about the importance of internet. So information searching is one of the most popular services on the internet. Google is the most popular search engine. So Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, where they were the PhD students. Okay, it was the first Google's office was the first rented garage. The name Google is actually derived from the mathematical term Golgle, which is basically one with 100 zeros following it. The first ever doodle was a burning matchstick figure. Then we have defined about the internet, which is the worldwide system of interconnected network of computers. It consists of many networks connected to one another to form a global network. Okay, so all the computers connected to the internet can communicate and share information. The usage of internet has increased so much in the past few years that it has become one important part of our day-to-day life. From being a small network set up by the US Department of Defense to connect four computers, okay, now it has been used in all the fields of our life. So the different etiquettes we will be doing in this chapter. Along with that, the different ways through which we can get connected. Okay, the ISPs are providing the different types of services. So we will discuss one by one. The first one was the dial-up connection, where we used to use a modem. The modem basically is converting the analog signal to the digital and the digital to the analog. Okay, so this is basically the slowest mode of communication, and nowadays we don't use it also. The generally we can say that DSL connection and cable connection that offers better internet speed. Okay, the next one is the digital subscriber line. So DSL stands for DSL digital subscriber line. Users get a high-speed bandwidth connection using this existing telephone network. In this type of connection, a user can still use a phone or make a call even when the phone is not being connected to the internet. The next one is the cable internet connection. Now, cable internet connection uses the existing cable TV lines to provide the high-speed internet. This connection can be faster than dial-up and DSL, but available only in those areas where cable TV network is available. Okay, so this is one of the disadvantages. The next one is the wireless internet connection. Now, in this type of connection, connectivity to the internet is established through radio waves. The internet can be accessed on wireless enabled devices such as laptops, smartphones, or similar mobile devices. This type of connection includes accessing the internet through Wi-Fi hotspots or wireless LANs. We might have seen wireless hotspots at many other places such as airports, cafes, and hotels. So this is one of the important type of wireless connection. Okay. One more we have, that is the mobile internet connection. So mobile internet involves using cellular technology to provide internet access on the mobile devices such as smartphones. Various providers such as Airtel and Vodafone offer different plans to provide the internet services along with the voice data on their 3G or the 4G network. Okay, so this much we have done in the previous week. So now the different internet services provided by the different services provided by the internet. The first one is the search engine. Now, one of the most advantages of the internet is that it always allows to get information from anywhere and anytime. So there is a huge demand of there is a huge amount of information available on the internet covering a wide range of topics such as new books, products, okay, science, galaxies, stars, and many more. The search engines on the internet help us to search information on any subject that we need. The information that is required is specified in the form of keywords. Okay, so the search results are usually displayed as a list of links on the pages. Different types of search engines available are Google, Yahoo, SearchBing, AltaVista, and Lycos. The next one is the email or the electronic mail. Now, it is a method by which we can exchange the messages and we can send our messages within a fraction of time to anywhere in the world. So to avail this email service, what we need to do is we need to make our account first, where the different email services, they will ask the basic informations, and accordingly we have to set, and we will be able to only send the email after the creation of our account. So every mail account has a unique email address, an email address along with the password. Okay, we have to log it in, and the which contains the username and the domain name separated by the symbol at the rate of. Okay, so the next one is the social networking sites. A social networking site is used to build online communication communities of people who share common interests. People use these sites almost every day for chatting, playing games, and connecting with friends and family members. So there are a number of social networking sites available, such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. The last one is the video conferencing. Now, video conferencing allows people at two or more locations to communicate and interact with one another through the audio and video mode. Okay, so it makes uses of computer networks to send the audio and the video data from one place to another. Okay, so video conferencing comprises technologies for the reception and transmission of audio video signals by the users at different locations for communication between people in real time. So there are other services also which we will be discussing in the next week. So in this week, up to this much we'll do, and please go through the video once, and if you have any problem, any doubt, you can always ask me. Okay, and we shall be continuing with the other internet services in the next week. Thank you.